In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to share Spotify Wrapped to your Snapchat story. This is a fun way to express your personality and connect with others through music. It showcases the songs and artists that defined your year, sparking conversations with friends who share similar tastes. To do this, simply head to Spotify. You will want to tap on Wrapped. Onto the slideshow, head to the last slide. You will want to select onto these cards. Once done, tap on Share. Select Snapchat. It will directly take you to your Snapchat story. Tap on Send to and select on either your public or My Story. Well, that's how easy it is to share your Spotify Wrapped to your Snapchat story. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.